Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find the option connected with the apps. So as you can see, scroll almost all the way down to find the apps. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see, your device right now is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled apps, default apps and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.